What's up, anglers? Bill Scorta, Florida Bass Paddler, and we are checking out an area where I have no idea where we are, how deep it is. I found this body of water. I found a way to get the canoe in, a little too congested to bring the kayak here, so we're gonna do a little exploring. Stay tuned. I've got the fish on my line. All right, so there's fish in here. So I'm hoping you could see this okay. I'm not sure about the camera angle. It's been a while since I've been in a canoe, but I'm trying to stay somewhat away from the banks. I couldn't tell if there was a gator laying up in them. There was one by the bank. He did not bother me. He was small, but I never saw him because he was just laying in the grass. So try to stay centered. Never fished here before. Just want to be very careful and enjoy it and not spook any of the wildlife. Not a big fish by any means, but look how dark he is. This water's really stained. The one I lost earlier was also the same. It was, these bass have a real dark underbelly, and you know, some of their fins look almost black. They're so dark, so kind of interesting. Again, I've never fished here, so I don't know what to expect. So far, all the bass have been very small. I'm throwing a mini steel shad, or excuse me, steel shad mini. I'm using it for more of a search bait. Again, I'm in a canoe. I don't have a depth finder. I don't know how deep it is, but I'm sticking my paddle in the water. It's only a couple feet deep, 2-3 feet. So, but most of the action I'm seeing and the 3 fish that I've hooked have all been in the weed line, so haven't caught anything decent yet, but we're catching fish, so it's a success. It's nice to be out in a canoe, so we're just going to keep going. is this? Is that a bass? Doesn't feel like one. And it is. Huh. Where are you going? Ah, came off. Better fish, that's good. Alright, so still small, but a completely different color pattern on this guy. Water's a lot clearer in here. That's the second one we've gotten off these docks with the spinnerbait, which we changed from a chatterbait. So that's good. Let's see if we can't get anything else. Look at how dark that fish is. Wow. It's amazing the difference in the colors of the fish. Huh. Well, I definitely enjoyed fishing here. We caught a lot of fish today, all small, but I definitely think there's some big fish in here. A little breezy today, nothing bad, but when you're in a light canoe, it's kind of push you off your position. So I really think this would be a great spot to come back and work some soft plastics, as well as bring some micro baits for all the panfish I see jumping. Talking to a resident who happened to see me fishing near his dock. Really nice guy, was telling about the bass that are in here, as well as some of the spots to check out. I think he also said something about a speckled perch, which I've never heard of, but apparently they're in here too, so I'll have to look into that. But overall, just another beautiful fishery. Love exploring new spots. Today was no exception. I had an absolute blast. There's nothing wrong with not catching big fish. As much as I'd love to catch big fish, it just didn't happen today, but caught a lot of fish. Met some nice residents on the water, and again, just a beautiful spot. So looking forward to coming back and to try some different things, just like I did the last time I fished. So I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you like what you see, show me some support and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications for future fishing videos, as well as product reviews. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'm Bill Scorda, Florida Bass Paddler. Tight lines, I'll see you on the water.